up at the front and pull it out. So I need to change number 4, which is this one. So that's cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just need to pull the top up, and as you pull it up it rotates and kind of pulls the wire out, and then I just need to twist the coil and pull at the same time. Now I took this out earlier, which is why it came out quite easily, so yours will be more stuck because the rubber sticks to the side when it's been in there a while. So this is an original OEM one, and it has that kind of a greeny grey looking metal sleeve, and I'm replacing it with an aftermarket one which is all kind of rubber. It's like grey rubber. So it's got some writing on there about it being Bosch. Okay, so I'm actually, because it's quite tight for space, I'm just going to put the wire on as it goes down. Okay, so I've just put that on. I haven't actually done that up yet. Now I'm going to do that up. So the wires are located. And now I just need to push that fully down, and this triangular bit fits in a kind of moulded section there. Okay, and I've just given it a little wiggle as well, so that it's nicely located. So it's pressed fully home. The wire cap, retainer is done, and that's it. That piece there has to go into a hole that's there, if I can get it right. That's it.